In this video, we're gonna have a Figma AI review. Figma AI is an integrated artificial intelligence feature within Figma, the popular collaborative design tool. It helps designers speed up their workflow by automating tasks such as generating design suggestions, content, and code snippets. Figma AI can generate design elements like buttons, layouts, or entire sections based on your prompts or existing design contexts. Also, it helps create placeholder text, icons, or even images, reducing the time spent on manual content creation. AI can generate CSS code snippets from design elements, making it easier for developers to implement designs. And because Figma is inherently collaborative, AI features help teams brainstorm and iterate faster. It speeds up the process, helps non-designers create basic components, improves prototyping, and reduces the back and forth between designers and developers. But AI-generated designs sometimes lack newness and creativity. It also requires user supervision to ensure AI outputs align with brand and project guidelines. Also, it's still evolving. Some features may be limited or buggy. So it's ideal for UI and UX designers looking to boost productivity, teams needing rapid prototyping, or beginners who want to design help without advanced skills. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.